Editing long-form interviews into snackable social clips can feel overwhelming, but streamlining your workflow turns this mountain of work into a simple, repeatable process. Start by cleaning up your timeline, making sure to toggle off any unnecessary audio tracks or secondary microphones so you do not accidentally apply edits to the wrong segments. Always prioritize your language settings right at the beginning, because the AI's ability to identify your punchlines and natural speech beats depends heavily on accurate transcription. Do not skip the AI settings menu, as this is where you can select a preset that matches your project's vibe, whether you are aiming for a documentary feel or a tech explainer. If you want your B-roll to feel more intentional, spend time tweaking your prompts to include specific details about lighting, location, or camera movements that align with your footage. When breaking down the long video, let the AI handle that initial first pass because it is surprisingly fast at spotting high-energy moments perfect for short-form content. This hybrid approach is powerful because it gives you the speed of automation while keeping you in the driver's seat to fine-tune the creative direction of every clip. When browsing the B-roll library, do not settle for the first clip suggested if they do not match the story. Simply modify your prompt to get something that fits better. If you want to create a mood edit, specifically request shots like close-ups of nature, time lapses of office buildings, or slow-motion city scenes to act as transitions. Practical editing requires knowing when to hold back, so avoid cluttering every cut with B-roll, because sometimes a simple jump cut is more visually effective. A major advantage of using an all-in-one platform is that you stop juggling separate tools for clip selection, scheduling, and publishing, which saves you a massive amount of time. While these tools are powerful, they are not magic, so be prepared to do some manual legwork, like nudging your in and out points if a clip starts a second too early. Pay close attention to your audio tracks when you are finalizing the edit, as muting background noise in specific cuts can give your main voiceover the space it needs to shine. When planning your distribution, utilize a content calendar to stagger your posts, mixing in teasers and highlights to keep your audience engaged over time. The auto schedule feature is incredibly helpful for maintaining a presence, allowing you to set your frequency once and let the AI queue up your content for the whole week. Keep a personal cheat sheet of prompts that have worked well for you, such as specific lighting or camera styles, because reusing these builds a consistent aesthetic for your channel. Finally, remember that the AI is your assistant, but the human touch, the tiny zooms, color tweaks, and final pacing decisions is what really stops the scroll. Once you master this workflow, you will be turning long-form videos into high-quality social content faster than you ever thought was possible.